Guys, it is the meme show. It is time to lose the brain cells. Lose thou brain cells with Tal the Traveling Clad. Today, we've got actually kind of a W of a clip here. We got an Israeli who was lucky enough to catch Greta in the streets. Greta Thunberg appears annoyed as she was confronted by a furious Israeli man.
Hello, Greta. עם ישראל חי, שהשם ייקח אותך, מוות. Hello, Greta.
If God ever gives me the opportunity to be with Greta Thunberg in the same street with a camera in my hands, oh my God. What I would have not called her a zona, and I would have not said the words mavet. I would have had the time of my life, quite frankly. If I had a kafia too, oh my God. Oh my God. God doesn't give the right people the opportunity. That being said, W for the guy who cursed Greta out. She's a piece of garbage. But I would have handled that situation a lot differently. I would have laughed. There would have been a lot of jokes. Greta would have loved me. Greta would have thought I was Palestinian. So W for the meme. We didn't lose any brain cells on that one. But an L for the execution. But we do appreciate it. Here's for Novara Mida. I was threatened to be beaten up outside of a mosque after Friday prayer as I was leafleting. One sec. Hanush Hassan is a Green Party candidate for Birmingham City. He spoke to Aaron Bastani out of the homophobic, Islamophobic. Let's
I was accosted, essentially, while leafleting by the vile, bigoted independents.
I was threatened to be beaten up outside of a mosque after Friday prayer as I was leafleting. And their main thing that they said, the thing they constantly said, you're the gay party, you support LGBT. Amir Khan directly said to me, you guys support LGBT, that's disgusting. Their leaflets having AI-generated images, and it says, thinking of voting green, think again. The first things are about LGBT stuff. They can threaten me, they can say they're gonna beat me up, but I will fight for their minority rights the same way I'll fight for LGBTQ minority rights, because I've seen and learned through reading history and through understanding that the moment you let a government pick and choose, or any group of people pick and choose that one group is suddenly not safe for society and they can be scapegoated, no other minority group is safe. And minority rights are there to protect everyone. We can coexist with each other. It doesn't matter who anyone loves, doesn't matter what someone does in their bedroom. And to the Muslim views as well, it says in the Quran, you don't force anything onto them, they don't force anything onto you. We can coexist. And even me bringing up the Muslim thing is just almost catching their bait, because it's the North Edge Basin is not some big beef between Muslims and gay people. That's a made up, almost sort of Islamophobic characterization of the debate. It's not like Islam is unique in its sort of views on homosexuality, but the Muslims here have coexisted and are able to and are willing to coexist with queer people.
No, they're not. They're not. It's a beautiful thought. Hanushi Hassan, I like you. You seem like a nice guy, by the way. You seem like a reasonable, level-headed, and I'm assuming, Hassan, I'm assuming you're Muslim even though you're black. I'm assuming you're a Muslim. But, and you again, I say this, you seem like a nice guy. You're a little retarded. If you think for a second, if you think for one moment that there has been coexistence with the Muslim community in the UK and the LGBTQ community, you're retarded. The only reason you have coexistence is because they're not in power. What would they do the second they get to a point of power? They would discriminate and hurt and kill LGBTQ people. That's not coexistence. That means that you have something that's stopping them. You have a safeguard in place. And that safeguard is the compass. That's the moral compass you need to be able to tell you whether there is one society in society that may be damaging to people. This isn't random scapegoats about the Jews. This is about a group of people who often fall to the ills of terrorism. They often fall, they have an issue. They have a problem that's not being addressed. And Westerners like you just gaslighting the situation, saying, oh no, I refuse to this. Bro, let's calm down for a second. These people have an issue, especially in the UK. They have a massive issue. There's rape gangs, there's rape circles, there's extremist mosques, there's ISIS fighters going off to fight for jihadist groups in the UK, outside of the UK. There's an issue. There's a massive issue going on. This migrant harasses a German girl. Bitch for the streets. Let's take a look.
Bitte hör auf mich an.
Aber Baby, wait. Hast du mit?
Nein,
Wallah.
nein. Nein, ich möchte nicht.
Wallah, bitte.
Hey.
Aber dieser nicht gut. Dieser? For bitch. Bitch for Straße. Machen alles. Alles. Tak, tak, tak. Nicht schluck, ich will.
Ich möchte kein Foto mit dir machen. Ich möchte kein Foto machen. Ich möchte nicht. Ich möchte nicht. Das reicht.
Du musst wirklich nehmen, nicht gut. Wallah.
Okay.
Nicht machen, nicht machen, nicht machen, nicht machen.
Aber du fasst mich an und ich möchte das nicht.
Ja? Ja?
Das ist auch nicht gut.
Ah,
Bitte nicht. Okay?
okay.
Danke. Bitte hör auf mich an.
Wow, this is fucking terrible. This is terrible.
Baby, wait. Hast du mit?
Nein.
Wallah.
That is a terrible video. That's a horrible fucking video. I feel terrible for that girl. That's disgusting. That's absolutely disgusting. That pisses me the fuck off. That's a horrible fucking video. Here's another one. Women are just openly at risk every day from Muslims on the streets of Britain.
Is that alright, girls? Yeah. You don't want to see us, lads. Don't follow him, innit?
What going on? What do you mean follow me?
They just said.
I'm following you. You get them down. It's not block.
Yeah, but they just said they went, oh, he's behind us, innit?
Yeah, we're
So,
not following no girls, bro. You're mad.
yeah.
We're not following no girls.
As long as you're not as sweet, yeah? Is that alright, girls? Yeah. You don't want to see us, lads.
And again, who are the culprits? 3 Pakistani, Bangladeshi Muslims once a goddamn again. It's always the same fucking people. I swear this channel is just becoming Pakistan Bangladesh watch. What's going on with them? What is going on with that community in the UK? I really don't get it. I don't get it. What is it? What's in the water? What's in the curry? What's going on? Here's an Islamophobic horse. Okay, this is pretty funny meme. A little retarded, but I'll take it. I'll take the meme. We'll take it either way. This New Yorker is based. Let's take a look.
Go to Gaza. Go to Gaza. They'll throw you off the fucking roof. Go to Gaza. They'll throw you off the roof, you dumbass. Go to Gaza. Oh my God. Go to Gaza. They'll throw you off the fucking roof. Go to Gaza.
I love the timid New York Jews surrounding her. See this black girl yelling about going to Gaza, speaking the way that these Jews should be speaking, and they're standing there like, oh wow, a black person amongst us. This is so wonderful. They're speaking for us. Listen, guys, take from what she's doing, be inspired, and say the same shit. Stop standing there so timidly. My New York Jewish friends, speak like her. Take that energy. That's the energy you need. I love this. She's great. God bless her soul. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the meme show. I hope you lost a lot of brain cells today. Some terrible clips in here, too. Some clips that made me very sad. I'll see you guys next one. I love you a long time. Goodbye, Klats.